This is your exam review, Chapter 7 and Chapter 9. Chapter 7 is on similarities. Question number 42. If A over B is equal to 7 over 2, then 2A is equal to, if you cross multiply here, you get 2A. So then the other part is equal to 7B. Solve the proportion. So you cross multiply again. You multiply these two numbers and you always divide by the number across from your unknown. So 32 times 5 over 20, or 32 times 5 is equal to 20A, and you divide both sides by 20. So 5 goes into 24 times and 4 goes into 32 8 times. So 8 is equal to A. While the similarity statements on the triangle explain why they are similar. All right, so if you take a look, you see that if you know that there's 180 degrees in a triangle and you add these two together, you end up with 53 degrees in the top here. So you have two triangles who have two angles that are the same. So two angles in one triangle are congruent to two angles in another. And so if you take a look, CDE is going to be similar to FGH. CDE, so that's C. All right. Use 7 and 10 to find the geometric mean. So 7, first number, over X is equal to X over 10. Cross multiply. So 7 times 10 is equal to X times X. 70 is equal to X squared. Take the square root in order to get rid of the X squared. So the square root of 70 is your geometric mean. Side splitter. So if you go up and down, 5 over 10 is equal to X over 16. You could go 10 over 5 is equal to 16 over X. However you start here, you got to come and go the same way here. So top, bottom, top, bottom. Cross multiply. So 0, K3. So 80 is equal to 10X. Divide both sides by 10. 8 equals X. B. Use the tree. So this is mid-segment theorem. So this is going to be half whatever the long side is here. So you're going to take 100 divided by 2, and so that'll give you 50. How do I know that? Because this is the midpoint of this whole line segment, and this is the midpoint of this whole line segment. So this segment is half of whatever this one is over here. So 50 feet. Next one. Same idea. 8899. So this is half of whatever this is. So 6 divided by 2, which would give me 3. So A. B is the midpoint of AC and C, okay. If BD is 6.5, again, this is half of whatever this is. So 6.5 times 2 would give me 13. B. Okay. Next one, the length of DE is shown. So you have to remember it's saying that this part is congruent to this part, and this is your bisector. So wherever the point is on the bisector, that's where it's going to equal on the other side. So because this is 10, then FE is going to be 10. Because this point up here is on the bisector, which is this line cutting, making it these two equal, then this line segment, GF, would be equal to GD. So FE is equal to 10. FE is equal to 10 is A. Next one. You want the midpoint of this line segment. So -3 plus 1 over 2 and 1 minus 2 over 2, because you got to divide by 2 to find the midpoint. So this is going to give me a -2 over 2, which is equal to a -1 is my x. And this is going to give me a -1 over 2. So a -1/2 is my y. So this is A. If I go over 1 and then down half, this is a point which is halfway between those two. All right. On this one, they told me BE all the way across. Because it's all the way across is 18. I'm going to divide that by 3 and get 6. So BG is 6, and then this part is twice as much as that, which is 12. So BG is 6 and GE is 12. If they didn't give it to you all the way across, then the small one is half of whatever the big one is. And then if you add these two together, you should get the total amount, which is 18 on this one.